Question 2. For each of the following function, find the value of object x. Okay, let's see. So question A, they gave us fx, they gave us gx. And they said f gx is 5. Okay, so this is their version of f gx. We need to find our own version of f gx. Then we compare. So if fx is 2x minus 5, fy 2y minus 5, fgx would be 2gx minus 5. Then we sub the gx inside here. So we'll get 2 10 over x minus 5, which gives us 20 over x minus 5. So this is our version of fgx, and they said fgx is 5. So now we can compare both the versions lah. So 20 over x minus 5 must equal to 5. Okay, because they said fgx is 5. Then making x the subject here, so 20 over x is 5 plus 5, which is 10. 20 over x is 10. So from here, if you want to make x the subject, we can swap. So 20 over 10 equals to x. Therefore, x is 2. This is our first answer. Let's try the next question. Alright. Okay, B. So fx is this, gx is this, gfx is 7. Right. So let's find our own version of gfx. So if you know gx is 2x plus 1, gy 2y plus 1, gfx would be 2fx plus 1. Then we know fx is this, right? So we just put this into here. Then we expand. Then we simplify. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So this is our version of gfx. This is their version of gfx. We compare. So 2x squared minus 1 must be 7. 2x squared is 7 plus 1, which is 8. Then x squared is 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So if x squared is 4, x will be square root of 4. So x will be plus minus 2. So x can take 2 values. This is our answer. Right. Let's look at C. fx is this, f square x is 10. Okay, so let's find what is f square x. F square x is the same as fx. So if fx is 3x minus 2, fy is 3y minus 2, fx would be 3fx minus 2. Then we put the fx into this fx. Then we expand. Then we simplify. So we get this. So this is our version of f square x. This is their version of f square x. We can compare. So 9x minus 8 is 10. 9x is 10 plus 8, 18. Therefore, x is 18 divided by 9, 2. Question D. Gx is this, g square x is this. Okay. So if so we find our own version of g square x. G square x is g of gx. So we know gx is 2 over x minus 2, gy is y minus 2, gz z minus 2, gx would be gx minus 2. So 2 over gx minus 2. Then we sub the gx into here. We will get 2 over x minus 2 minus 2. So we can try to make the denominator same. So this is 2 over 1. So top and bottom we times with x minus 2, x minus 2. So we're going to get 2 over 2 minus 2x plus 4 over x minus 2. Okay, so what I did was 2, then I did this lah. So we put that together, 2 minus 2x plus 4. Then the denominator is x minus 2. Okay, so if you have division in a fraction, we can write this like this. 2 divided by, it is 2 divided by this whole thing, right? So we write 2 divided by 2 minus 2x plus 4 over x minus 2. If you want to simplify this also can. So this is plus 4 and 2, so you can make it 6 minus 2x. Okay. So if you have divide, we have to flip this and make it times. So 2 times x minus 2 over 6 minus 2x. So this will give us 2x minus 4 over 6 minus 2x. So this is our version of g square x. And this is their version of g square x. So we compare. So 2x minus 4 over 6 minus 2x equals to negative 1 over 2. Okay, we try to erase this, not enough space. Okay, we bawa sini lah. Okay, then we solve this lah. So this one is fraction, right? Fraction, we can cross multiply. So 2 we bring here becomes 2 times 2x minus 4 is negative 1, 6 minus 2x. So 4x minus 8 is negative 6 plus 2x. Then we bring all the x's to one side, numbers to the other side. This will give us 2x equals to 2. Therefore, x is 1. That's it. This is the answer for the objects. So objects means we are finding the value of x.